Yak Back Pack.
Hi, welcome to Yak Back Pack. Look at our fun dinosaur. Look his feet roll. He wants to knock over some buildings. Tip. He tipped that over. What did we find? We found some dough. 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 We found some Play-Doh. Okay, let's tip, tip, tip over another building. Tip. We found a can. 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 We found a can on that building. Can. Okay, dinosaur, tip over another tower. Tip. This tower had a bed. 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 We found a bed. 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 Tip, tip, tip. Tip, tip. Let's tip a tower. Oh, he tipped it with his tail. He found a bow. 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 Oh, maybe dinosaur wants to wear the bow. 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 He's so pretty in the bow. Let's tip another tower. Tip. What's this? It's a balloon. Let's pop. 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 Pop the balloon. Pop balloon. Pop, pop. Okay, 2 towers left. Let's tip it over. We found a bug. 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 We found a bug on that tower. Bug. Last tower to tip. 1, 2, 3, tip. It's a bat. 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 Dino found a bat. Bat. Mr. Dinosaur says, bye-bye. Rawr. Bye-bye.
Yak Back Pack.